Now let's see who gets on and who doesn't.
Will, get up.
Shut up, Josh.
Will, it's Monday. Get up. It's time for school.
Oh my God, Burton, I swear to God, if this goes on the line, I'm gonna punch you.
Look at them. They're like ants. The zombies trying to get into the canned food. Look at them. Look at them. Dun 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 dun. Like other people in the back like, fuck this, I'm never gonna get it. And they're just like wandering around.
Oh, the back door opened. The back door opened.
Oh. Look at them flood the other way.
Oh, man.
I'm not gonna get to North ever. Alright, fuck this.